The Assam unit of the Bharatiya Janata Party is under fire after posting an AI-generated video on social media that portrays Muslims in vulgar and dehumanizing ways. The video, which has been viewed more than 2.5 million times, suggests that without BJP in power, Assam would be overrun by Muslims. The controversial clip depicts skullcap-wearing men as invaders, chopping meat, taking over airports, stadiums, and historical sites, while alleging links to Pakistan and the Congress party. The outrage has been swift. AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi condemned the video as genocidal hate propaganda, saying it reflects the BJP's Muslim Mukt Bharat agenda. Congress leader Supriya Srinath slammed the Election Commission for its silence, while senior journalist Suhasini Haidar called the ad a dangerous attempt to demonize an entire community. Despite calls for accountability, the BJP has doubled down, with Assam Minister Piyush Hazarika mocking critics. The video has reignited fears over the misuse of AI in political propaganda, and civil society is urging urgent action to protect democratic discourse and minority rights.